Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I have a question for you all. So, my question is, what's the biggest lesson you have learned in your life?
Biggest lesson.
Mhm.
Never trust others.
Never trust
Go with your
others.
instinct.
So that means you're talking about not to trust someone. Okay.
Yeah.
What about others? What's the biggest lesson you have learned in your life? I got one answer, which is not to trust anyone, right?
Yeah.
Don't
Like, I
miss
mean, no, it's
opportunities.
about like,
Yes. Yes. Second one,
Don't miss opportunities.
don't miss opportunities. Correct. More answers?
Ma'am, can you repeat it the question?
Yes. My question is, what is the biggest lesson you have learned in your life? Ankit
speak up
says
for
always
yourself.
help others. Good.
Can say don't expect anything from others.
Acha, don't
Yeah.
expect. So that means less expectations.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody
Never
else?
give up.
Never give up.
Learn
And
Never
always
give
speak
up.
up for yourself.
Yes. Think of yourself.
Huh?
So while answering these, did you notice something? Did you notice something? That none of you talked about any person or any place. You talked about what? किसके बारे में बताया आपने मुझे अभी?
Ourselves.
You talked about an idea. You talked about your feelings. You talked about your experience. आपने मुझे किसी पर्सन या प्लेस के बारे में बताया?
No.
No.
No. किसी ने अपना आइडिया बताया that you should always help other. किसी ने अपनी फीलिंग्स बताई not to trust anyone. किसी ने बताया don't expect from anyone. Least expectations. Never give up. Think of yourself. तो ये सब क्या है? ये है आइडियाज, फीलिंग्स या आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टुडेज क्लास इज अबाउट. इन्हें हम बोलते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स, जो आज हम करने वाले हैं, विच इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्यू का टॉपिक. जब आपको किसी पर्सन के बारे में नहीं बताना, किसी प्लेस के बारे में नहीं बताना, आपको कोई अपनी मेमोरेबल जर्नी नहीं बतानी, आपको कोई अपनी रीडिंग हैबिट नहीं, कोई बुक नहीं बतानी, बट यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट योर आइडिया, योर फीलिंग, योर एक्सपीरियंस, जिसे हम कहते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स. आई नो देर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स जिन्हें नहीं पता कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स क्या होते हैं. सो यस, क्यू कार्ड के टॉपिक्स एब्स्ट्रैक्ट्स भी आते हैं. Definitely, you will be getting these abstract topics in the exam. Now, let me write all those. Which one you believe that it is easiest to talk about and which one is the hardest? अगर आपसे मैं पूछूं कि आप सक्सेस के बारे में बात करो, फेलियर के बारे में, हैप्पीनेस, कॉन्फिडेंस, पेशेंस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी,
Responsibility.
it is hardest or the easiest? First, tell me about the easiest one. Yes.
Easiest is su- success and failure. I think could be easy because I think it relates to everybody.
Okay.
And
What do you believe is hardest for you?
responsibility.
Responsibility. Okay. What about
And
others?
then I think
Ma'am, I think
patience might be
patience
number
is the
4.
hard.
patience and
The
responsibility
hardest
is the
one.
hardest.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Patience and responsibility.
Yes.
And happiness.
These are all abstract ideas. ये सारे abstract ideas है because we can't see them, we can't touch them, but we can experience them. In IELTS, you are often asked to explain these ideas through your real life story. Maybe you have not experienced it, but again, you have to create your real life story. Any story you have to create because these are the ideas. Now, suppose if examiner asks you, describe an important lesson you learned. So will you give a definition of lesson or you will tell a story about it?
Story,
Story. Because
personal experiences.
IELTS doesn't want a dictionary definition. It wants a personal story with the feelings, with a reason, with a reflection, which is only possible with which strategy?
PPEF.
Yes. So by the end of today's class, again, you won't be able to just speak about, but you will be able to create your stories also for the abstract topics. You will learn
Ma'am, I have my
simple
speaking
formula.
exam today.
Yes, yes, I know. You will be learning about a simple formula. Again, this formula works really well here because you're not going to talk about any person, any place, but you will talk about the past situation. When did it happen? Present also. What do you think about that lesson which you learned? Then you have to talk about a real story as an example, and in the future, that how this lesson will help you later. क्या आप किसी लेसन के बारे में सिर्फ पास्ट का बोल सकते हो 2 minutes?
No.
Bit difficult. You cannot speak for 2 minutes talking about that only lesson. You have to come to the present. You have to talk about the past. You have to talk about the future, and you have to add that specific story. Right? So you will never be afraid of any abstract Tuka topics. Ready to start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting,
Yes, yes.
किसी को कोई doubt, कोई query है, please let me know. Then we'll begin with our topic.
No.
Yes, Kirat, you have an exam
No.
today.
Yes, ma'am.
Your speaking test. You are in India right now. At
Yes.
what time you have your speaking test?
12 to 12:20.
Okay. So did you practice for part 3 of speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know the ideas now, how to extend your answer for part 3?
Yes, I think like when I was giving the answers, like I was less explaining about the ideas, and then like I was straight jumping up onto the examples. So I think like when I saw the video, like the ideas were I think like were explained properly, and then like they were like the examples were given, so the other person like could understand the ideas properly and then could relate
Yes.
with the example.
Yes. Even if you talk about a single idea, your idea should be developed and it should be justified with an example. No personal
Yeah.
examples, but yes, you can talk about society, you can talk about people, you can give any suggestions if you want to, but not your personal example because that comes under only part 1 and part 2.
Yeah.
Part 3
So
is
general
broader.
examples.
Yes, part 3 is broader.
Example about
Basically, you have to talk about the abstract topics over there,
yeah.
right?
If I give the example about my friends or the people I know, like is it about me or like then it comes in a general example?
General, not you,
General.
not your story. Okay. Okay, now let's start with. So you clearly understood what are abstract topics? Any doubt? Those ideas which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but you can think about it, you can feel, you can believe in. These are not any physical objects. They are the concepts basically. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Abstract topics बोलते हैं. Like suppose if I'm talking about, okay, let me come to first different topics. If you're talking about emotions and feelings, how do you define your emotions, your feelings? Sometimes we are happy. Sometimes we are stressed. Right? Then fear also. Yes.
Angry.
Yes. Angry also. Correct. Fear also. Pride also. Love also. So these are all about your
Anxiety.
emotions and feeling. Anxiety also. There are many. Then when you talk about ideas and belief, We have success, we have honesty, freedom, creativity, discipline. There are many, I would say many. So just remember, you may get any cue card based on these. Then we have life concepts, time, change, responsibility. You may have any cue card based on this. So examiner यहाँ पे क्या चाहता है आपसे? It's very important. You should know this. Examiner क्यों पूछते हैं आपसे abstract topics? ये चेक करने के लिए कि क्या आप डीपली सोच सकते हो. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास कोई टॉपिक आता है, डिस्क्राइब अ मेमोरेबल जर्नी यू टुक, यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एनी जर्नी, आप कहीं पर भी गए हो और आप वो बात कर सकते हो. बट जब आपके पास एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक आते हैं, लाइक सपोज वी ऑलरेडी हैड दिस, डिस्क्राइब एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन यू लर्न, यू नीड टू थिंक बियॉन्ड कि क्या आपने कभी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन लर्न करा. क्या आप अपने आइडियाज को क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो इन दिस टॉपिक. क्या आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो रिगार्डिंग दिस लेसन यू हैव लर्न. नाउ व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्रगल इज बिकॉज आइडिया ही नहीं आता, स्टार्ट कैसे करूं मैं, एग्जाम्पल क्या दूं, बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एन इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन यू लर्न. So whenever you see any abstract topic, just convert it into something, your personal story. Happiness है, happiness की अगर बात करें, suppose they are talking about the first one, happiness. You can talk about when I spend time with my family. Success की बात करते हैं, when you cleared your exam. Pride की बात करें, that means you help somebody. So that's a pride for you. देखो, नो मैटर कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए, यू जस्ट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, एग्जाम्पल एंड फ्यूचर. कैसे भी मूव करा दो इस स्ट्रैटेजी को, इट्स अप टू यू. पास्ट मीन्स आपने कब फील करा वो, प्रेजेंट मीन्स अब क्या सोचते हो उस चीज के बारे में, एग्जाम्पल रियल स्टोरी, स्पेसिफिक डिटेल, फ्यूचर मीन्स आगे क्या होगा. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक में कभी भी देखो, आंसर डिफाइन नहीं करना, डेफिनेशंस नहीं ऐड करनी, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस हियर, बिकॉज दीज आर वेयर यू कैन थिंक बियॉन्ड, यू हैव टू थिंक डीपली, यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस योर आइडियाज. यहाँ पर इन टॉपिक्स के थ्रू आपकी एबिलिटी को चेक किया जाता है कि क्या आप कॉम्प्लेक्स आइडियाज को क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, आप अपने थॉट्स को लॉजिकली ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो, क्या आप ओपिनियंस को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो रीजंस के साथ, एग्जाम्पल के साथ. आर यू एबल टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली फॉर दैट 2 minutes? Now these are the common cue card topics which I'm sharing. I really think that you all should practice whenever you have time. A difficult decision you made, a time you learned something important, achievement you are proud of, a skill you would like to learn, a goal you want to achieve, a piece of advice, a rule you disagree with, an important life lesson, a time you helped someone, a challenge you overcome, memorable success or failure, a change that improved your life, ambition you have, a time you changed your opinion, and a quality you admire in others. Now, how you will be answering this? You know the structure? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's start with a very basic one. Describe an important lesson you learned. So you will be focused on explaining, right? You will be supporting it with your example. You will be including your feelings, your reason, your reflection, everything. Okay, what do you think about it? कैसे start करें?
Ma'am,
Mhm.
I learned important means time management and discipline. Those lessons I learned from my friends when I was in BTech. uh, as it helps me to gain
Yes,
more knowledge and all those. I can handle all situation within a time limit.
you can.
Yes, ma'am.
You can. Just think about before answering, you have to just think about. Take
Yes,
your
ma'am.
time. Hmm.
Ma'am, even I can add both discipline and time management at a
Yes,
time.
you can talk about it. So you should talk about first decide that the step number one is always the idea building. ठीक है कि कौन सा important lesson आपने learn करा. It can be, as Kushal mentioned, time management. You already have given me so many options. Not to trust anyone, don't miss opportunities, always help other, expectations less, never give up, think of yourself. So these are the lessons. Honesty. You can talk about health. You can talk about saving money. You can also talk about value of family, confidence, patience, hard work, any. You have to decide. Just take 20 seconds to decide what important lesson that you learn. And it should have really a great impact on you. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. The best answer is always the one you can explain with the real story. Examiner don't judge your life. They judge how well you communicate with your ideas. ठीक है? Who would like to start first?
Ma'am, I'll speak. Ma'am.
Okay, Kushal, you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, who wants to speak?
Me.
Okay, Kirat, you will have a chance. Then Eloka, she raised the hand. Harshita wants to speak also. Good. Why your hands are down now? Harshita, you don't want to speak? Ikra is here. Ikra,
Yes, ma'am. Hi,
when
ma'am.
are,
Good morning.
good morning. I saw your text. So when are you planning to take exam again?
Ma'am, after 20 August.
20th of August. Okay, no problem.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
got it. So
Okay, ma'am.
everybody, now please be on mute. Kushal will speak now. Okay? Yes,
Mhm.
Kushal, start.
A few years ago, when I was in BTech, at that time, it was a difficult time for me. I was not able to control my schedule throughout my day due to my lack of timings. At that time, it affected my academics as well. One of my friend helped me throughout my examination preparation. At that time, he told me to manage your time and also maintain discipline manner as it helped you throughout your examination and you will get a good marks. And I decided to maintain throughout my competitive examination and I got a good grades as it helped me a lot to got a new job. Right now still I am maintaining my time management and discipline both go hand in hand to get a good position in my company. Not only that, it helped me throughout process to burn the candle at both ends to achieve something big goals and also long term goals. As for instance, when I was preparing for any kind of presentation in front of my clients, at that time time management play an essential role and also discipline helped me throughout the presentation. And also people often encouraged me and it play a vital role to give me a greater impact on my any kind of skills. In future I would like to continue to maintain all those skills in my life to get another new opportunities. And not only this skills, those discipline help me to not only for just professional growth, and also it helps me to grow in my career, and also helped me to maintain healthy balance between my life and work. That's it.
That is good, Kushal, but थोड़ा सा pronunciation helped, encouraged. D पे you are putting more stress. Why? Encouraged. ऐसे नहीं बोलना. ठीक है? नहीं तो pronunciation
Encourage.
and yes, encouraged, discipline. And there was one more word I noticed. Helped.
हाँ,
Helped, not helped. ईडी पे बहुत स्ट्रेस नहीं देना, नहीं तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन रॉन्ग हो जाएगी. देखो, यू हैव दैट एडवांटेज दैट यू आर एबल टू स्पीक फॉर 2 minutes एंड अपनी टोन को, इंटोनेशन को करेक्ट रखो, एंड योर स्पीच शुड नॉट गो वेरी फास्ट. बहुत
Okay.
ज्यादा फास्ट भी नहीं बोलना. यू नीड टू बी काम व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलना.
Okay.
ठीक है? बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग रियली फास्ट, तो इतना फास्ट भी नहीं बोलना. So you talked about a valuable lesson that you learned during your difficult times, right? The important
Yes.
lesson was about time management and discipline. You talked about that you learned this lesson a few years ago. Ab dekho, one thing which is good is that he did not started with one important lesson I would like to talk about is time management and discipline. He started with few years ago when he was in BTech. So that's a very good start. You should always talk like this instead of just memorizing that one statement. ठीक है? When he was not able to manage his schedule properly, his friend, and he was actually suffering from this academic performance. He was actually started to suffer and he felt very stressed. Then one of his friend noticed the situation and encouraged him to create a daily schedule, prioritizing the task. Then talking about present also, I realized that this advice has completely changed my life. He still follows, he plans his day, manages time effectively in his daily routine, which is also helping him to stay productive and focused also. Then talking about a particular situation, that how he prepared for his university exam or the competitive exam, then how he achieved the grade and he secured a good job. And you also use the phrases, the EDMs go hand in hand, right? That
Yes,
was
ma'am.
good. Okay, next, Elora.
Yes.
So I'm picking the topic from here.
Ma'am,
Okay, tell
same,
me which topic you want to prepare. You
ma'am,
want to
same
practice.
topic. Can
No, not at all. Same would never be. एक हो गया. Exam में you don't have a chance for the same one.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
topic you would like to pick and speak, tell me.
Ma'am, a time when
I
you
think you should always pick the topic you believe it is the most difficult one. I do not have ideas.
okay.
Always. Always pick that topic. आपको
So, ma'am,
लगता है
you,
ना ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता, इसके आइडियाज मेरे पास जीरो हैं, वो टॉपिक पिक करो. एलोरा, क्विक.
yes, ma'am, but ma'am, I want to speak in that because now I want to build confidence.
No,
So,
but Elora, I'm really sorry. I don't want to get this done now. Because same topic पे तो you already got ideas. You can speak about it. But
ma'am, can
exam,
I,
no, so sorry. No, not the same topic. Okay, yes, Harshit.
ma'am, this one, a time you helped someone.
A time you help someone. ठीक है. चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, first is the idea building. You have to talk about the ideas. Decide करो. आपने कब किसकी क्या help करी हो.
Ma'am, can I start?
No, first we will be generating ideas so that everybody can have their own. बताओ. अब आप सबसे पहले क्या सोचोगे एलोरा यहाँ पर. अ टाइम यू हेल्प समवन, मतलब आपने किसकी हेल्प करी और कैसे हेल्प करी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Whom
Yeah,
did you
ma'am.
help? फ्रेंड है, क्लासमेट है, फैमिली मेंबर है, कोई स्ट्रेंजर है, कोई एल्डरली पर्सन है, कोई कुलीग है, नेबर है, कोई बच्चा है, किसकी हेल्प करी आपने?
Ma'am, when I was in hostel, I helped one of my junior. He
Oh,
did not.
great. ठीक है. सो इसने डिसाइड करा है लोरा ने कि उसने किसी जूनियर की हेल्प करी है, राइट? जूनियर स्टूडेंट. अब मे बी जूनियर स्टूडेंट को आपने स्टडी के साथ हेल्प करी हो, करियर एडवाइस के साथ. होता है ना, अपने जूनियर्स को हम हेल्प करते हैं विद द बेस्ट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. यस और नो?
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
have to ask yourself all these question कि वो प्रॉब्लम, और सॉरी, वो पर्सन कौन था, किस प्रॉब्लम में वो था जिसमें आपने उसकी हेल्प करी. कोई प्रॉब्लम में तो होगा ना वो, तभी आप उसकी हेल्प कर रहे होगे. क्यों आपने उसकी हेल्प करी? आपके हेल्प करने से क्या हुआ? क्या फील हुआ जब आपने उसकी हेल्प करी? सो यू हैव टू take that 1 minute in organizing all your thoughts. मे बी वो स्टूडेंट, जूनियर स्टूडेंट, किसी सब्जेक्ट में वीक हो. मे बी उसकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. क्या पता आपने जॉब के लिए उसकी हेल्प करी. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट वन पर्सन यू जेन्युइनली हेल्प. प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, कैसे उसकी हेल्प करी, सब चीजें. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव योर स्टोरी, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट. यस.
Ma'am, can I?
Everybody is on the mute. Yes, Elora. Now you can speak. Everybody is on the mute.
So when I was in hostel, that time one of my junior, I helped her. She need books, but she did not have money. She shared with me. I did not have books, and my parents didn't send me money. So I told her, don't worry about anything. I can help you. I have money. So I will give you so you can purchase a book and continue your study.
That's it.
Ma'am,
Expand it more.
idea.
Hmm. Try to
Um,
add more,
Ma'am, little idea.
but you need to expand. Otherwise, you could not speak for 2 minutes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
अब कैसे कैसे हेल्प करी? आपके पास पैसे थे, आपने दी. कहीं से तो
Yes.
परचेज करी होगी वो,
Okay.
या
So
आपने
when
अपनी ओल्ड बुक्स दी उसे?
no, ma'am. We went to one shop. Just
हाँ, तो यही तो स्टोरी बतानी है कि आप कौन सी शॉप पे गए.
okay. We went to shop. So there we purchased books and some pens. I gave to her, and she is very happy. I saw her
Not
happiness.
she is, she was, past है ये, अभी तो नहीं है ना.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. She was very happy, and I saw her happiness. I felt also very delighted, and that happiness is make me to also very
Mhm.
very happy. I also feel very happy because today that time I helped someone. That was my first chance to help someone. So this is very precious time for me to
But you are
help.
using, Elora, बहुत ही basic vocabulary. So you can talk about that there was a time uh, when I helped someone. It was during your hostel days, now you mentioned. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
helped someone. It was during my hostel days. It was few years ago when I was staying in a hostel during my college life. One of my juniors was going through a difficult situation. Don't just come to the topic. How do we create a story? Beginning बताते हैं ना कि it was
Yes.
in my college days. She was going through a difficult situation. She needed the textbook for her studies, but her parents were unable. ऐसे नहीं बोलना. Parents did not have money. She did not. The parents were unable to send money on time because of the financial problems. She looked worried and didn't know how she would continue her classes. अगर स्टोरी को इलेबोरेट नहीं करोगे तो 2 लाइन में ही खत्म. आप 2 लाइन में ही बोल सकते हो कि उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे एंड यू गेव द बुक्स. बट दिस इज, यू नीड टू स्ट्रेच, यू नीड टू टॉक फॉर 2 minutes. She would
Yes, ma'am.
continue her she was not able to continue her classes now without the books. Now आपने
Yes.
past बताया, talk about the present. Looking back, I still feel happy that I decided to help her without expecting anything in return. आपने कुछ लिया तो नहीं ना उससे?
No, ma'am.
Talk about it. That experience, it taught me that kindness doesn't always require a big effort. Sometimes we can, with a simple act of support, we can help somebody. राइट आपने कैसे करा ये? अब वो एग्जाम्पल जो आपने बुक स्टोर का बताया, आई टोल्ड हर नॉट टू वरी एंड आई assured her that I would help her. We went to a nearby bookstore together and I bought the books she needed. She was extremely happy. Very happy मत बोलो, very का I would say very को replace करो, very 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 good, very bad, very happy, ये मत बोला करो. Instead of very, you can say she was extremely happy and she thanked me several times. Seeing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
smile on her face made me feel delighted. आपने delighted बोला, मैंने सिर्फ उसको थोड़ा expand करा. Because I knew that I had made her difficult situation a little easier. आपने उसकी difficult situation को थोड़ा easy बना दिया ना? In the
Yes, ma'am.
future, I want to continue helping people whenever I have the opportunity, whether it is like providing any kind of financial support, sharing the knowledge, or simple encouraging someone. So this experience, it taught me that true happiness comes not only from any personal success, but also making someone's life easier. ठीक है, आइडिया को एक्सपैंड करो, नहीं तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू स्ट्रेच इट फॉर 2 minutes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next
Yes.
who? Okay, Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
pick any
Morning, ma'am.
topic you, good morning. Pick any topic you believe that it is very difficult for you, you don't able to speak. Yes.
Ma'am, a rule you disagree with.
A rule you disagree with. Very good choice. Yes. So I'm writing here. First step is you need to build your ideas. So what do you think about this?
Ma'am, I don't have any idea about this topic.
So that is I am here for. So
Um,
what is the rule
ma'am,
that you think is
legalizing marijuana.
unfair? देखो डिसएग्री की बात हो रही है, एक ऐसा रूल जिससे आपने डिसएग्री करा, दैट मीन्स वो रूल क्या होगा? अनफेयर होगा,
Yeah.
unnecessary होगा, or you believe that this rule needs to be changed now.
Yes, ma'am.
तो सोचो.
Ma'am, legalizing marijuana is a law or a rule?
Any rule. Like suppose
No,
if I
a
say
law can be a
that
rule.
you have to attend a class every day in a school uniform.
Yeah.
So school uniform
No.
every day. Do you want to wear a school uniform every day in the online classes? Or any
No.
uniform if I say. So will you agree with this rule? If
No.
I say that there will be a strict attendance rule in the classes now, will you agree with that? Suppose you miss class for any genuine reason. You have a freedom to wear anything you
Yes.
want to during the online classes. If I say
And
that mobile phones banned everywhere, we really use phones and these are useful even for any learning, even for any emergencies also. So आप कौन सा रूल है जिससे आप डिसएग्री करते हो?
and this one,
Ma'am,
somebody I think
mobile.
wrote
Just 1 minute.
adultering.
Yes, Kiran.
Ethanol
Kiran,
into
meanwhile,
petrol.
meanwhile, you can write in the chat box. Let me just have a look for Harshit's answer. Yes, Harshit. Hmm.
Mobile phone ban for everywhere, every
Huh?
place.
But what do you think? That was the idea given by me. What do you believe?
Yes, ma'am, I think so. Like, there are some universities or schools who strictly prohibited these electronic gadgets,
Hmm.
especially schools
Hmm. Hmm.
where like immature children are going there to study.
Mhm.
So it is mandatory to.
A student has written, the person with the name of iPhone, your point is relevant, but if you can explain clearly why you disagree with this. The examiner is actually interested in your ability to express and support your opinion, not whether your opinion matches with any public policy. Okay? So if you are able to explain, only then pick up that topic. Only then. So rule is like you're mixing ethanol into petrol. अगर आप कर सकते हो disagree, you should have a valid point. देखो remember one thing, कभी भी अपना out of box जाके कोई ऐसा rule decide मत करना कि आपको लगे कि नहीं मैं rule के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ but you are not able to elaborate. अगर आप 2 मिनट बोल ही नहीं पा रहे then never pick up that topic. Okay, let's come to हर्षित. हर्षित क्या decide करा, किसके बारे में बात करनी है?
Ma'am, ethanol.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will go with ethanol.
हाँ, so do you have points?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Not think so. You have to stretch for 2 minutes. अगर relevant answer नहीं हुआ, then you will have no marks. Only if you are
Okay, I
able
will
to
try.
expand, then.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So first
Yes,
take
ma'am.
that 1 minute. If you are able to speak, then only decide. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody will be on the mute and they will be listening to what Harshit is speaking. Let's start.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes.
So the one rule that I disagree with is the blended petrol with ethanol that Indian government decided to provide to the consumers. Uh, it is mandatory in every fuel station in India that people have to buy this blended petrol over any other kind of fuel. Like as previously we got 100% original petrol, but nowadays as the government decided, so the consumers buys this petrol, and there is no option for the consumers. Uh, there are certain drawbacks of this blended petrol that the researchers and experts have to say about. First one is that the average of the vehicle is drops by 20% because of this chemical that they mix in the petrol. So it is like a burden to the poor people who commute their vehicles with their own vehicles, and also for the public sector, the fare of the buses and trains are raised by almost 15%. So it's kind of a like it's kind of a burden to the middle class people also. And other point is that experts says that private vehicles like cars and bikes, their engines are broken down because of this ethanol, as it made by the sugarcane, um like it is derived from the sugarcane juice, so it have the tendency to absorb the moisture from the atmosphere. So that's why the when the moisture goes down in the uh, fuel tank or engine of the vehicle, it breaks down. Um, so it is also the it is also kind of a problematic issue, major problematic issue for the consumers or those who have their vehicles. So, in my point of view, the government should provide original petrol instead of this blended petrol, or the government at least makes an option that whoever wants to
You're making
fuel.
suggestions now. Government should do this, government should do that.
Yes. Okay, so government should provide an options
You're talking about
that.
a rule you disagree with.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको क्यू कार्ड में एक स्टोरी बतानी है, सजेशंस नहीं.
Okay, 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 okay.
आप देखा, तभी ये प्रॉब्लम है. इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग नेवर चूज एनी टॉपिक जिसके बारे में आप बात ही नहीं कर सकते.
So I
You were
didn't
only
complete the
you
2
were
minutes.
you were only talking about that topic कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, how they require extra effort, fuel efficiency कैसे decrease हो रही है. You're talking about all
Yes,
these.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Avoid saying these कि माइलेज ड्रॉप हो गई, बस फेयर इंक्रीज हो गया, इंजन टूट रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है. नो, you should have talked about कि yes, some people have reported this, that there is a slight reduction in the fuel efficiency. Some owners जो हैं vehicles के, they have concern about the compatibility. I feel this could increase the running cost for some commuters, but I think I should have a more fuel options. Consumers should have more fuel options. You're going deep down and talking about only that procedure. So you should talk about, अगर आपने disagree का, I should support, or I support that environmental protection should be there. I believe that people should have the freedom to choose the best fuel that suits best for their vehicles, instead of just talking about only the topic, because this is not part 3 and you cannot talk about that government should do this and this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so इसीलिए I am
Yes, ma'am.
saying always pick up. You believe that yes, you can talk about. Now, in this topic, how you can start is you can talk about that yes, governments, they have introduced various policies for the benefit of society. But one rule which I feel I disagree, or I don't completely agree with, the policy of mixing this ethanol into petrol. Then you can talk about, a few days ago, I came to know about that government has started promoting this to reduce pollution. And there's a decreased dependence on the imported fuel. At first, I believe that it is a positive initiative, but after discussing it with the local mechanic, I learned that older vehicles, they might require some extra care. At present, I understand that environmental benefits of this rule, but I believe that it should not be mandatory for everyone. In my opinion, consumers should have the freedom to choose the type of fuel. And they should be aware whether the engines are compatible or not. Then you can talk about a real incident, a real specific story. When I took my bike for servicing, the mechanic suggested that I carefully check the recommended fuel type, which could lead to जो भी आपकी maintenance cost, like whatever happens in that.
Yes,
So there
ma'am.
should be more awareness and flexibility. before implementing any such policies. In the future, I hope the government continue promoting. ये नहीं government should or government must. No, you're talking about a future perspective. You're going deep down. ये part 3 में भी इतना depth में you're not going to give any examples like that. Okay? Yes,
Ma'am.
Kiraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Kiraj,
Got it,
any
ma'am.
topic you would like to speak about?
You can choose any topic for me.
No, it's up to you. You believe that you have less ideas, always pick that topic. Okay, let me just
Right.
pick one for you. A change that improved your life or a time you changed your opinion? Any?
A change that improved my life.
Okay, so first is idea building.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I can take 1 minute.
Yes, you can. Rest of the people, I really want to ask about your ideas. What ideas you think? A change that improved your life. जब भी कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए आपके पास, आप
Healthy
देखो
lifestyle.
चेंज दैट इम्प्रूवमेंट है लाइफ में, सो दैट मीन्स वो चेंज पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव?
Positive.
Always positive because they are talking about improvement in their life. So ऐसा कोई one real life change आपकी लाइफ का, आपकी स्टोरी का, that is always positive. It can also be like you started managing your time, you come to become more disciplined now, you started exercising daily, you learned English through the classes, you started reading books, you reduced your social media time. जो भी कोई भी change आपकी life का, you started with the better communication skills, you became more independent, more responsible, more productive. Some people, they change the eating habits and they become the more improved fitness freak, the overall well-being. तो वो change क्या था? कब हुआ वो change? क्यों? Why did you make this change? How has your life improved after this change? And would you continue this change? You have to brainstorm every question. Once decided, Kirat, let me know, we'll start.
I think I'm ready. Yeah.
Everybody, please be on mute. Yes, start.
Back in 2024, I was a student and then I was working full time at the same time. And in that moment, because of my jam-packed schedule, I didn't used to get enough time to cook food at my home. And because of having time restrictions, I was always buying processed food from the outlets, or most of the times I was like eating street food just to avoid cooking, so I could have like enough time for my sleeping. As it continues to grow on, but at that moment I didn't realize the effects that I was having with eating processed food all the times. On one day, like when I was out with my friends, and I saw my blood pressure was raising continuously high, even though like I thought like I was being really fit because my body looked pretty well and slim in that moment, but still I knew deep inside there was something wrong. And when I went to a doctor for a health checkup, he told me I have a high sodium intake, and all of this occurs because of the food that I was intaking from the outside. So he recommended me to like cook food at my home. So eating healthy now is my priority. But I didn't know like how to overcome with that challenge. So I went to one of my friend who's a gym freak. After thoughtful conversation with him, he told me some recipes so I could like prepare the food in batches, which really helped me out in a long term to avoid the time issues with me. Other than that, he also mentored me and helped me to like gain some, lift some weights in the gym, and so I could like get my body in the real good shape. uh, I think several months after that, I felt that I have got a really good physique, and now I was pretty well. As I had that appointment again with the doctor, and then this time, like he was even astonished by the fact that I really pondered on his suggestion that he had given to me. And everybody around me, like they were even giving me the nice comments, and I really liked that. I think that was the moment like when I decided to cook like food really at my home and avoid eating processed foods or the junk food outside, which could deteriorate my health. And as of now, like I'm on vacations and I was really sick for the past 4 weeks. So in that moment, I think like I had to order the food because I couldn't go outside because of quarantine. So right now I'm like really looking to get back on the track, and so I could get my physique back and then maintain the good lifestyle that I was enjoying.
Good. Well tried, Achada, that you were actually talking about switching from that processed food to a healthier lifestyle. So back in 2024, did you notice some mistakes? You did some mistakes?
Yes, I think like I repeated that word processed food like several times.
Mm-hmm. That is okay.
And
Instead of this,
connectors.
yes, instead of this, what you can use is that he advised me to eat more home cooked meals and adopt a healthier lifestyle.
Yes.
Okay, instead of
Do you
saying that
think
talking about only processed
connectors?
food, you can talk about this. I feel
Yeah.
much healthier now, more energetic and far more confident. I'm really grateful that I took his advice seriously. And regular exercise has become an important part of my daily routine. One of my close friends who is a fitness enthusiast instead of gym freak, he supported me throughout my journey. He shared the healthy
Yeah.
recipes with me and motivated me to join the gym. He also taught me the correct way to lift weights and stay consistent. Within few months, my physique improved noticeably. That now people can notice me. And during my next health checkup, my doctor was pleasantly surprised by the improvement in my blood pressure and overall fitness. Even my family, my friends, they complimented me on my healthier appearance. ठीक है, instead of saying my body you can say my physique, healthier appearance. In the
Yes.
future I want to continue following this healthy lifestyle because I know it will benefit me in the long run. Although I'm currently on the vacation and occasionally I'm ordering the food online, I make sure that it is in moderation. I still prefer
Yes.
home cooked meals whenever possible. I also plan to stay active and maintain a good balance between my work and my health. So, this lifestyle change had taught me that good health is a greatest asset and taking care of it
Mhm.
should always be a priority. That was well
Yes.
spoken, but try to work on little bit vocab more. Okay? If your target is
Yes.
7, but if you really want to target for 7 and above, so just focus more on the vocabulary. Okay? And more on the sentence
Okay.
structure. So I hope
Yes.
everyone is now clear with the abstract topics कि abstract topics कैसे होते हैं जहाँ पे आपको किसी particular person के बारे में किसी place के बारे में नहीं बात करनी, but you have to talk about your feelings, your ideas, your experiences more. Right? Sometimes you may have different. देखो, these are not the end, I would say. These are not only the cue cards, but these are the cue cards which you can practice whenever you have time. You can just revolve around these. Examiner को जब हम यहाँ पर deep down बात करते हैं, examiner really love these kind of answers because you're actually going to express more. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत deeply सोचना पड़ता है. राइट यहाँ पर आपको अपने आइडियाज को बहुत ही अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करना पड़ता है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट अ जर्नी. जैसे जर्नी का टॉपिक आ जाता है, किसी बुक का आ जाएगा, आप किसी स्टोरी, कोई मूवी, दीज आर वेरी इजी टॉपिक. कभी ना कभी हम कोई ना कोई वेकेशन पे गए होते हैं, हमने कोई ना कोई मूवी देखी, हमने कोई ना कोई स्टोरी, हम किसी ने हमें क्या गिफ्ट करा, कौन सी क्लोथिंग गिफ्ट करी, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट. इट्स वेरी इजी टू टॉक. बट when it comes to abstract topic, you need to think deeply.
Um,
Yes, Arshit.
Ma'am, there are some cue cards which I have like so many ideas, so I am confused about which ideas should I talk about. And there are certain
Always
topics that don't generate any idea. So how to tackle this?
देखो, आई ऑलरेडी हेल्प यू इन द आइडिया जनरेशन. आपने कोई भी
Yes,
टॉपिक
ma'am.
पिक करा, आई ऑलवेज एडवाइस कि वो पिक करो जिसमें आपको लगता है आइडियाज नहीं है, बिकॉज वी आर इन द प्रैक्टिसिंग पार्ट, वी आर इन द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. इसीलिए आई एडवाइस ट्राई करो कि मैं इसके बारे में क्या बोल सकता हूँ. कोई तो आइडिया आएगा. ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि आपके पास कोई भी आइडिया ना हो. इधर यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग डीपली. The only case will be either you are not thinking, because if you are thinking, you will always have at least two ideas. At least. I'm not saying one. दो ideas तो हमेशा आएंगे. Then when you decide कि मेरे पास दो ideas आए, always pick up that one you believe that now I'm able to speak more about it. ठीक है? So इस तरीके से practice करो.
Ma'am, that one rule is disagrees. That type of question is there, right, ma'am? For that, recently happened like a NEET exam aspirant
Yes.
who are not attending the
Yes.
exam hall within a time limit. They are not allowed to exam, and that rule will be extended for 10 minutes
Hmm.
to attend all those students. Like that,
Yes,
can I?
so you can explain, Kushal, but what I said is you need that relevant ideas. That what, how the specific thoughts, past में क्या था, present क्या है, future में आप क्या propose करना चाहते हो. Always talk about that. ये नहीं सिर्फ कि नीट के बारे में ही पूरा define कर दिया, not the definition कि नीट एग्जाम है क्या, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, इतना डिटेल नहीं. You have to talk about that
Just
जिससे आप disagree करें, but now what you want.
I use it for example.
Yes, example that is done.
Yes,
You can use, right?
ma'am, today I will upload again that writing task, ma'am.
Problem. You can.
Okay.
Try to upload by first half or even by 5 o'clock if possible. If you
Okay.
upload it by 5 o'clock, it will be evaluated by today. If you're gonna upload after that, then maybe it will be by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
देखो, फ्लुएंसी हमेशा यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर आइडियाज. आइडियाज पे वर्क कर रहे हो, दैट इज गुड, बट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर फ्लुएंसी ऑल्सो. फ्लुएंसी इज ओनली बिल्ट बाय स्पीकिंग, नॉट थिंकिंग. सोच लिया लेकिन बोल नहीं पा रहे, फ्लुएंसी नहीं आएगी. सो फ्लुएंसी तब आती है जब हम बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं, राइट? हम बोल नहीं रहे, हमारे पास आइडियाज बहुत सारे हैं, बट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक. तो फ्लुएंसी कैसे आएगी? नहीं आएगी ना. इसलिए वर्क ऑन फ्लुएंसी मोर. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इसीलिए फेल हो जाते हैं इंग्लिश में, बिकॉज ऑफ फर्स्ट थिंग इज फेयर, सेकंड इज दे डू नॉट हैव आइडियाज, एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज ओवर थिंकिंग. सो ओवर थिंकिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं करनी. यू कैन स्पीक, यू हैव आइडियाज, यू जस्ट नीड द स्ट्रक्चर. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ओनली तीन चीजें. यू कैन स्पीक, यू हैव आइडियाज, एंड यू जस्ट नीड द स्ट्रक्चर. एक भी आइडिया अगर आ गया, स्टार्ट टू प्लान अबाउट इट. क्यू कार्ड है, रिमेंबर दिस इज नॉट पार्ट 3 नहीं है, क्यू कार्ड है. ओके, सो हाउ वाज द सेशन?
Yes.
कैसा लगा आज का सेशन? हेल्पफुल था?
Ma'am, very good. Good, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स अब इजी लग रहे हैं?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes.
What, ma'am?
So at least practice 2 abstract topics every day. सिर्फ 2 टॉपिक क्यू कार्ड के एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स. रिकॉर्ड करो खुद को, लिसन इट बैक, एंड देन सी द चेंज. यस इकरा, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताओ? नहीं,
मैम
कोई चेंजेस नहीं है इकरा.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है.
मैम नेक्स्ट मैंने आप जी जी और मैंने आपको बोला था ना कि इस तरह हुआ है, पेपर है जो वो थोड़ा ना टफ था, और लिसनिंग में जो मुझे इशू आया मैम वो पार्ट 1 और 4 में आया है, क्योंकि पार्ट 1 में टेबल कंप्लीशन नहीं आया था. वो इस तरह था जैसे समरी कंप्लीशन पार्ट 4 आता है. और उसके अलावा जो है स्पीकिंग, उसमें मेरा इश्यू जो आया है वो पार्ट 3 में था.
थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस करो. व्हाट गुरप्रीत
ओके
सिंह, यू कैन अपलोड योर राइटिंग टास्क. शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, वहां पर राइटिंग टेस्ट बाय द एग्जामिनर है, वहां पर आप अपनी राइटिंग को अपलोड कर सकते हो. How to put task 1 and task 2, first time attending the class. Okay, yes. Zala, I want to tell you one thing. We have class every day, Monday to Friday. ठीक है, 9 AM पे क्लास होती है. What you can do is एप्लीकेशन में जाकर क्लासेस के सेक्शन में आप सारी क्लासेस देख सकते हो. ऑलरेडी स्केड्यूल है कल कौन सी होने वाली है. क्लिक ऑन द रिमाइंड मी बटन ताकि आपकी कोई भी क्लास मिस ना हो. 9 o'clock आपके पास एक रिमाइंडर आता है टू ज्वाइन दैट क्लास. सो इससे आपकी क्लास नहीं मिस होगी. प्लस स्पीकिंग अभी हमारी चल रही है तो इट्स बेटर कि आप स्पीकिंग को प्रैक्टिस करो एवरी डे. पार्ट 1 हम
करती मिन्नी करनी भी दिन में क्या ऐसे दिन.
Part 2 is also about to over. I guess tomorrow is speaking part 2 ka mock test. I think so. Tomorrow is the mock test. So you should all be prepared because maybe I'm gonna cover abstract topics the more. Let me just check. कल क्यू कार्ड है. किसी ने देखा क्या स्केड्यूल है कल का? Yes, tomorrow is a Q card mock test. And then from Wednesday we have part 3. ठीक है. किसी को भी बेबी कोच से वीजा सर्विसेज की हेल्प चाहिए हो तो यू कैन ट्राई. इट इज नाउ स्टार्टेड एज वी टोल्ड यू.
मैम उसमें ना मैम वीजा सर्विस में ना काफी ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं, काफी आ नहीं रहे हैं मैम.
अभी अभी अपडेट्स हो जाएंगी. यू कैन अपडेट योर ऐप. सो फ्रॉम दिस मंथ यू विल बी एबल टू सी लॉट्स ऑफ. जला शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को. वहां पर आपको पेमेंट करनी पड़ेगी टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 के लिए. शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, देखो राइटिंग टेस्ट चेक बाय द टीचर लिखा होगा. ओके, वहां से आप अपना स्पीकिंग का टेस्ट भी बुक कर सकते हो और अपना राइटिंग भी अपलोड कर सकते हो. ओके, कोई और डाउट, कोई और क्वेरी, प्लीज लेट मी नो. यस, कीरत एंड साक्षी बोथ हैव रेज्ड देयर हैंड्स. हाथ थक जाएगा.
No, I think like it's by mistake. Ma'am, so now my class is right after this class, or?
Let me just check the schedule you have. You booked it for what time?
Oh, it's for tomorrow. Like
I
this
got
showed
it.
me
I
the
got it.
option
Yes,
for.
it's showing 11:30 na, right away. Right away you can have just after the class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
मोहम्मद गौरी, if you need help with the visa, आपको वीजा में चेक करना पड़ेगा. एप्लीकेशन में there is a section visa services. वहां पर आप अपनी क्वेरी को ड्रॉप करो. टीम विल कॉन्टैक्ट.
Go.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. I will do that.
But if you are from Pakistan, then I believe it is not available. I guess visa services is not available for Pakistan.
All right, I will check.
पेमेंट ऑप्शंस कैन बी डन. आप स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग का बुक कर सकते हो. जैसे आपने एप्लीकेशन की मेंबरशिप बाय करी है, द सेम वे यू कैन बुक योर स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग का टेस्ट. ओके.
Okay, ma'am. I already sent a message on a WhatsApp number. Then I will have
Yes,
a
the
detailed
number
chat
you're
from that
getting,
number.
you can drop all the details over there.
I will do that.
No worries. Anybody, any more doubt?
Thank you, ma'am.
No worries. So be prepared for Q card topic tomorrow. I'm going to ask one Q card to each one of you who will join. And the people who are on mute, I'm going to start with them. Not the students who are regular and who always raise their hand. Ankit, you will be the first one to speak tomorrow. Okay, so be prepared. Ankit, I
हाँ जी
hope
मैम.
you're getting this. Tomorrow Q card topic, the first Q card will be for you.
नहीं मैम.
Yes, tomorrow.
ओके
Okay?
मैम.
So ready.
ओके
Okay
मैम.
then,
ओके.
see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
बाय मैम. बाय.
Bye,
बाय.
ma'am.
बाय मैम.